Are you still buying bread? Are you one of them that is still looking for a dessert bread? No, sweetie, calm down. Let me show you how to make a delicious and mouth-watering family bread that everyone around you will eat and say thank you for getting this done. It was everything delicious. To begin, we are going to be needing milk. Next, we are going to be needing is sugar. Next, we are adding there is egg and the center yeast. Next to adding is oil. Then mix this together first. I mix until this get dissolved, and once it get dissolved, I proceed by adding this butter. Then mix together. Just mix the butter until it come out perfect like this. So once I achieve that, next is to adding is salt, and the center I mix that together. Now we are going to be adding the flour. After adding the flour and then mix that together, I make use of 3 cups of all-purpose flour, but I get that add twice. So this one is the first one. I mix until everything come out like this. So now I'm going to be adding the last cup of it. So this one is the last portion. Then mix everything together. So now we are going to transfer that to the work surface for us to work on this dough. So guys, this dough was so fun to mix. Like, I just love the way this is so fun to mix. Like, when I make fun, I don't know, it's because I added this oil at the center, I added butter. It was like, it looks so soft at the center. It will not even stick on your hands. Like, it was everything. I don't even know how to put it, guys. Like, the dough was so perfect. Like, I just love this kind of dough. Like, it's not even sticking on my hand. The center and the texture is everything nice. So at this point, I'm done mixing that. It come out so perfect. I just love it. So just follow this process to mix your ingredients. Like, we are going to experience what I just say here. So now I'm going to divide that into little shape like this. So once I get that done, I just take one of it and then tight everything into a little ball sign until we have it like this. So at this point, we don't turn it out and tie everything. So once I do now is to take the rest and keep it aside, then cover that. So once that get done, I take one of the dough and then use my roller to roll it this way. So this is how we are going to form this amazing bread recipe. So once you get this amazing shape, and this point, this is good to work on. So this is how I'm going to get that food like this. So just take it and then use your hand to tighten it a little bit and then continue to roll. Once you roll it, you first of all tag it down and then roll again and then tag it the same way. So once you roll, you tag it. Once you roll, you tag it. So this is how I'm going to roll and tag everything until it come out like this. So once I achieve that, this little line, I'm going to use my hand to tag it again so that everything will come perfect like this. So once you get that achieved, see how gorgeous that look. I transfer that back to the oven pan. Before you add it on your oven pan, first of all, grease your oven pan with butter and then cover that for 30 minutes to get doubled. 30 minutes later, this is what we have. It doubles so perfect at this point. It was so nice. Look at that. I just love this process I used to get this done. Like, I just love it. Next I'm needing is egg mix. Over here we have just normal egg that I just cook together to get dissolved like this. So next is to use the egg to rub all over the body of the dough like this. Okay, so now we are going to get that baked. So we have this gorgeous, oh my god, look at that. At this point, our bread done, guys. Like, this bread is so perfect. Like, it was so delicious. Like, it's sweet so perfect. Like, you can even eat 3 pieces of this bread, you don't even know how it happened. It was so delicious. So this is how I get this family bread done. You can make this for any human being around you. Once you just bring it out, like, your family is going to rush it one before you know, everybody don't finish this bread. Like, it's so sweet, it cooks so nice, it come out so perfect. Like, as I'm opening this, the fire went there here. The fire was too much. Like, the fire was so much. So this is just so nice, guys. So if you are finding it difficult to make bread, just follow this process to make this bread recipe for your family. Like, everyone that eat this with you is definitely going to appreciate you. Look at this now. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness. Like, you can't tell how gorgeous this look, the taste, the texture, everything was on point. You need to try this. Like, you need to try this. All you need to do is to share for others to see. I love you in my next one. Bye.